Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be testing out a teeth whitening product. If you've watched my channel long enough, you will know that I drink a ton of okay, maybe not a ton of coffee, but I drink a lot of coffee. I'm going to test this new product out. It says 8 shades in 20 minutes. Wow. So let's try out this product and see if it actually does what it says. If you watched my last video, Loss and Recovery, in there I state that I picked a day that was going to be totally my day. I finally had my first actual complete my day and did a couple things. So I just wanted to quickly, just kind of show you what I did on my day. As you can see, one of the things is over here. I finally got my vanity table finished. I have had the product or the parts all bought probably for the last year and a half. Actually, it might even be more than that, but I'm just, being a little more kinder to myself. About a year and a half. I've had all these parts. I think the lights I had on hand a lot longer than that. But I finally took it last Sunday. I built everything myself, put it all together, got it all hooked up, and I'm really proud of it. So I'm going to show you that. And then there was one other thing that I actually built. And yeah, so let's head on over there quickly first and show you what I did. So there's the table. I had the lights. I bought the lights and, put them on the mirror. The mirror is just an old mirror I had hanging around. I really didn't know what to do with the mirror, so I just decided to use it for this because otherwise it was going to go out. This is the table. Now the table, the wood part, my son actually gave me, and it's been sitting around here for quite a while. The top white piece, I believe I got from the dump. Yeah, can you believe it? I actually got that from the dump. I got 2 of them from the dump actually, cleaned one up for my other desk, and this one I put for my vanity table. Isn't that pretty? Like, honestly. And yeah, I love winter. I do. And then, of course, my chair. It's just an old chair. I threw a sheet over it. I'm going to do something different or maybe buy a little vanity stool, but for now, that works pretty good. But isn't that sweet? Didn't even take long. And yes, people, I love winter. And the second thing I did was I built myself a place for my necklaces and my bracelets. I mean, look at this. Like, I seriously have an issue with bracelets. I love bracelets. And honestly, if you can't see them, I just don't pull them out. I always forget about them. Like, Dee buys me so much jewelry. I honestly forgot about some of these pieces. So I decided that I was going to build myself this alien-looking jewelry holder. It's actually standing up pretty well for itself. Like, it's built fairly strong. Hopefully that doesn't break. I was going to paint it, but I like white. I like to brighten up a room, so I decided not to paint it at all. But I might actually cover it with a white sheet, like glue on some white sheet or something. But anyway, that's what I did with my day off. I like it. Yeah. All right, I hope you didn't mind that. Yeah. I wanted to share that with you because I wanted you to know that I'm putting my organizational situation into place. So today we are going to try out a teeth whitening product. Okay. This is the 20-minute dental white. On a day-to-day basis, I do drink a lot of coffee. I really do. And I drink black coffee. So I don't know if that makes it worse, but I mean, there's no cream or anything in it to lighten up the coffee. So black coffee on my teeth. I do have a system in place that I use to keep my teeth as white as possible. I just thought I wanted to see if this would work better. So let's open it up and find out. So basically what they have in here is the ultra bright light technology. That's what they're calling it. So that, the mouthpiece. And what else I got in here? It doesn't look good. Oh my goodness. Okay, first you got to open the compartment in there and take out, there's just an insulating thing on the battery, so I guess the battery doesn't continue to keep working. And you put it back in there. Okay, I can get it to go back in there now. Okay, there we go. Ugh. Let's see if it works. Okay, ta-da, works. Then it says, when ready, brush, floss, and dry your teeth. Done. Protect your lips and gums by applying the vitamin E swabs. Basically, you got to open one of these. I'm just going to take one of them. This one here has a little red line, so that's the one you're supposed to, like, you're supposed to hold it this way so that the vitamin E will come down. Oh. Oh, I guess you're supposed to break it off. Okay, there we go. There is the mouth tray and the accelerator. Okay, so there you go. You put that in there like that. Oh, my light keeps turning on. Okay, you see, just kind of, there's a little lip there, so you just kind of got to put it over the other lip there. So there we go. All right. Okay. So that's that there. So I took this little lid that was on it off. I'm going to put this one on, because I'm assuming that's what you're supposed to do, right? All right, so what it says is if you don't use more gel, less is better, because you'll just waste your gel. Yeah, okay. So let's try. God, I feel like a doctor. Woo! Oh, I didn't mean to put that much on there. Okay, that's all I put. I didn't put a lot on there, so just a little bit. Can you see that? All right. Now, I'm going to stick this in my mouth like it says. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to talk, of course, for 20 minutes, but we'll see how this goes. Oh my goodness. When they tell you not to swallow, why is that the first thing you want to do? So I took it off. I actually rinsed out my mouth and then brushed my teeth just to get the excess gel off. You're not supposed to swallow the gel. And I would have to say that it was actually, like, I have a lot of stains on my teeth, okay? I'll admit, I do have a lot of stains on my teeth from coffee. I drink a lot of coffee. So I'd have to say that it actually did whiten up my teeth, but probably not 8 shades, okay? I just can't see it doing that much. Now, in the pamphlet, it does say that the results are going to vary. Of course, they're going to say that, right? But on the other hand, it did lighten up the stains. So I think with a couple of uses, like maybe 2 or 3 more uses, it would actually lift the stains completely, like it would lighten up the stains completely. So I see a little bit of patchy whiteness, okay, because I do have a lot of staining. In certain patches, it is actually very white. Yeah, I guess you could say that it did lighten them up, but I think with a few more uses, I want to see if it's actually going to do the whole tooth, because right now, it looks a little patchy. By the looks of it, I probably have maybe three. If I use it sparingly, I think I have probably 3, maybe for more uses. So this one here you put on after you've done the whitening gel. So we'll just do that. And I'm assuming you press the end of this to get the gel to come up. And oh, okay, like it's way down there. Oh, okay, now I hear it coming out there. Okay, then you're supposed to put this on afterwards, I believe. And it says not to eat or drink 20 minutes after you use this. I believe it's this one. Okay, that one did not taste good. Not at all. If you wear a dark liquid lip, your lips are going to naturally look more white, even if they're a little bit stained. That's just the way things are. But I would have to say that this does work good. There's a slight little tingling I felt when it was in my mouth. Not a big issue for me. I just didn't want my teeth to fall out. I will do a couple more treatments just to see how much whiter they do get. I will give an update on this probably at the end of February, just to give it an honest try. It took me 20 years to get the stains on here. Actually, more, I guess. So it's going to take more than one use to get them off. Honestly, though, I don't think my teeth are actually that bad considering how much coffee, black coffee, I do drink per day. And I'm just going to show you what I do on a regular basis. So I probably brush with this maybe 2 or 3 times per week. 2 for sure. And this is the Miracle Teeth Whitener. And this is the charcoal. It does make a huge mess in your sink. So you got to be prepared for that. But it is actually charcoal. Okay, so when you brush your teeth, like I brush my teeth with this, your whole mouth is going to turn black, your teeth are going to turn black. You really need to use a soft toothbrush, like a soft bristle toothbrush, and then brush normally afterwards, and then every other day just brush normally. And I find it keeps my teeth fairly clean. To get the best cleaning possible, it doesn't matter what product you use, you're going to have to go to the dentist. The dentist has the absolute best cleaning products on the market, and that's what I normally do. I haven't in a while. All right, now that I'm done brushing my teeth the hard way, I am going to get out of here. I got a ton of work I have to do over at the other office, and although I love it in here, I can't spend all day in here. I hope you guys have a great week, and yeah, I would love to see you back here for next week's video. See you later.